What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on SafeGalaxy. First of all, brief information about SafeGalaxy. We are on their website and I will put all the links in the description below. And it's not so complicated as you might see. Here we have the best disclaimer that I've ever read. Disclaimer: it is a high risk investment. Nothing more to add with this disclaimer. They are 100% transparent and they realize that it is very risky, but it is very high rewarding asset. And here you can see their roadmap, and basically let me show you first of all their white papers. So SafeGalaxy is a frictionless yield and liquidity generation smart contract protocol that works by applying 10% fee for each transaction and instantly split that fee by rewarding holders with 5% and auto-locking 5% in PancakeLP. Holders don't need to do anything than just hold SafeGalaxy tokens in their wallet to earn rewards. Contract allows to execute certain addresses like PancakeSwap contract's address from receiving rewards, as well allow to include certain address to receive reward if required. And here is their economics. They have 1 trillion or maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. It is 1 quadrillion tokens. And they have supernova burn 250 trillion, 250 PancakeSwap LP, pre-sale allocation 400 trillion, and reserve 100 trillion tokens. And here is their roadmap. And as you can see, they on Q1 they pre-sale and launch. They have contract deployment, pre-sale, listing on PancakeSwap, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Whitebit. For second quarter, they want to rebrand partnerships, rebranding, marketing, NFT exchange, and Q3 expansion, charity, sponsorship, secret project. Basically, it's very interesting what do they mean with this project. And here we have Q4, and it is to be announced, as you can see. Maybe they have plans, but they don't want to announce there yet. And let me show you that we have nothing more with this white paper. It's rather small. If we compare it with the Safemoon, for example, it is I think 3 times smaller. And with this information I have some concerns. But as far as I open their Twitter, and as you can see, we are on SafeGalaxy token, and we have 2.7 thousand followers. And if we compare it with around 40,000 followers with the Safemoon, it's just the beginning. On the one hand, on the other hand, we can say that it's not so popular, and basically you have to decide either it is a good sign or not. And they are pretty active on SafeGalaxy on their Twitter, and they have this video, and let me show you. It was published just several hours ago. SafeGalaxy AMA made on 31st of March 2021. And as you can see, these guys, they're not afraid to show their faces. That's why I'm very excited about that. And I don't think that it might be a fraud because they show their faces, and it is very good sign for them. And you can watch all the video by yourself, and they disclose some interesting facts about their tokens and their economics, and about their future as well. In my opinion, it is just a beginning, and let me show you their comparison with the Safemoon as well. Wait a second, here it is. We have the same big news to share with you all later, but for this time being, check out this image and appreciate how similar the trend lines are at this stage. And basically I totally agree that they are on the first wave, on the first initial wave. And 2 days ago I made my video about Safemoon, and it is 100% legit in my opinion, this chart I mean. And that's why you have huge potential with this asset, but you have to remember 3 simple rules. First of all, do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. And it is the most important rule, because you have to realize all the risks involved in this investment, in this type of asset, in this type of cryptocurrencies. Second one, do not go all in. Always ladder your buys down, and because of the huge volatility of this type of assets, you can almost always you can add your position on the lower price points, and this will lead you to much more profitable gains. And the next one, do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And this is also because of the volatility, and if you put stop loss closer to your entry price, you might be kicked out from the trade, and it's not what you want. So, and that's it, these 3 simple rules, as simple as that. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. As you can see, we are on 30 minutes time frame. We are on a SafeGalaxy chart, SafeGalaxy graph, and here we have this huge price action from the bottom to the top. The price surge for about 3,000, more than 3,500%. But for now, this asset is down from the top to its current price for 65%. And for its bottom right here at this point, it was 78% of decline. And basically it's totally okay because of the volatility, because of the first initial wave, and it is just the beginning of this structure. And let me show you the RSI. As you can see on a 30 minutes chart and on any other time frames, even 1 hour time frame, we have this weird behavior of RSI, and this means that we don't have enough volume. RSI shows us that we don't have volume below this supply and demand, and at this point we don't have volume above this supply and demand, this price action. And basically we cannot rely on RSI, but we can rely on different patterns. And let me show you the Fibonacci retracement tool. From the bottom of this run to the top of this run, as you can see, we have this type of action. And as you can see, 0.618 region acts right here as a magnet. We hovering right around this level, and then we have this huge spike with this volume. As you can see at the bottom, this volume is rather high for this candle, and here is first triangle right here. It was just a week ago, and here we have huge breakout with this volume, and basically after that we form another triangle, in my opinion, right here. And here we can extend this wave, and this triangle breaks to the downside. And for now, as you can see, 0.786 level acts almost exactly as a support. We didn't even touch that, and we can draw this line right at the bottom of this price action. It is the lowest point of the retracement for now. With this data, we can even project the potential targets of this asset. For this purpose, I take a Fibonacci extension tool, pull it from the bottom of the wave to the top of the wave right here, and third point should be at the bottom of the retracement. And here is the targets. As you can see, we have exactly the same level of 0.786, and it is first resistance on our way to all-time highs. And from our bottom, from our current price, we have about 190% to our first target. Second target might be at 250% from our current price, and the most aggressive target, let me show you, about 400%. But I have to say that with total sentiment of this asset, with the total amount of interest that might be with this crypto, we can have a much higher prices. But for now I cannot rely on these levels, but with the Safemoon it was absolutely 100% legit. And let me show you that to the top level we have more than 1100%. and it is mind-blowing. And all you have to know that it is a very risky trade, it is very risky asset, and just put your money after you realize all the risks, and after you realize that you can lose this amount of your money, and that's it. And in my opinion, you always can benefit from this type of investment, short-term investment, even long-term investment. Nobody knows what will happen with this or that particular asset, and if you realize all the risks, it is totally okay to invest in this type of companies. And as you can see, they realize the risks themselves, and on top of that they make Q&A sessions and they answer all the questions. And shout out to you guys. I think you're amazing, you do an amazing job, and I think with some kind of luck and with 100% commitment, and I think you are committed to this work for 100%, I think you will be successful. And that's why I like this type of risky trades. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!